host in the house with us, who is actually going to be hosting IIFA Utsavam, big integral part of South cinema. I know for me, the origin of my entry into that cinema came with Rana, and I will always be grateful because Bahubali happened because of Rana. Rana, please join us on stage.
We are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian, sir.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're
wraps.
trying to keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now
Yes.
we're actually on stage. We're actually in IIFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just, the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries, not just as an actor, but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And IIFA, thank you for putting all us together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam? Yes. Thank you. So I think that'll be
it's a deliverable.
It's a deliverable? Oh.
Yeah. We are coming. Clap louder, y'all asked us to.
Thank you, the 3 IIFA partners, for making this happen.
Yeah.
I think this is really the first time, sir. All of you all are at the South Indian Utsavam.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it is.
The first
Actually, it's
time,
amazing. Like I said, it's quite fantastic. We're really excited about what's to come. And in fact, what a weekend. We start with IIFA Utsavam, you have IIFA Hindi, and then you have IIFA Rocks. And then there's a lot of activities happening with all our talent. We have an incredible lineup, all very excited, and mainly because the main man is here. So thank you, Shahrukh, thank you, Rana, and we'll all leave now.
Thank you.
We'll call Siddharth Kannan back because he may ask us to leave anyways.
All right, so both of you leave, Karan and Rana. Shahrukh, I'd request you remain on stage, please. Give it up for Shahrukh.